Come test drive the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.